Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will execute the 10 string methods which I have explained in the previous class. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So as you know, this is my idle. So first of all, you have to create a file, right? You have to create a file, new file, and press Ctrl S and go to the documents, go to the Python programs and open it. And here we have to save it as Python strings 2.py and just save it and just save it. So so first string method is index. For example, if you want to find the index of some word in the string, and I will write text is equal to, and here I will write I am iron man. Here I will write and so you want the index which is starting the iron man. So what you have to do? Just you have to do print text dot index of index of iron man. Then you will find the index. Then you will find the index. So just click on OK. See, which means it is starting from 5. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I hope you understand. So we got the index as 5. Index as 5. And so this is how we can use the index method to check you want the index of certain word in the string. So you can use this index as the string method. And we are having the second string method is isalnum. 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 So for this, you have to include text is equal to Python and include 7 or 45. And you're having both alphabets and the numbers, right? So which is alnum. Yes, it is having both alphabets and numbers. So it will return true. It will return true. Just print text dot is alnum of text. Is alnum of text and click on F5 and click on OK. So we are having is alnum function. Sorry, you should not specify text here. You should not specify text here. So you're having the error. See here. You have to specify like this. Is alnum. That's it. See, just click on F5 and click on OK. Now you'll get the true as the. So if you have any errors, you will be having like this. Just write the type error. So string str.isalnum. The method should write like this and takes no arguments. It's saying right. So in this way, you can see the error and you can resolve your problem. And we're having the third method is alpha. Third method is alpha. Alpha is alpha. So now I'll write value is equal to value is equal to James Bond. Value is equal to James Bond. So I have written some string in it. So it is it is having the alphabets, right? It's having alphabets. So it has to print. It has to print the. It has to print the true. So value dot is alpha is alpha. So just click on F5 and click on OK. See, we are having true as the input, true as the output. And if you include, for example, you include 789 and click on OK, then you'll get false. Then you'll get false. So it is alpha will check whether all the characters in the string are alphabets or not. If you include numbers, then it will return false. It will return false. And the fourth one is ASCII is ASCII. And here I will write A is equal to A is equal to A S C I underscore value 1 2 1 2 3. So you have to print A dot is ASCII. That's it. So it will check whether it is ASCII or not. So it is a ASCII. It is ASCII. Just click on F5 and click on OK. So it is true. It will return true. It will check the ASCII values. It will check the ASCII values. And we are having isdecimal. We are having isdecimal. So whether that number is decimal or not. We are having is decimal. And just type P is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. And now print B dot is decimal. That's it. B dot is decimal. So it will check whether that number is decimal or not, and it will return true. It will return true. It will return true. So this is a small string method is decimal. And the next one we are having is digit. And the next one is we are having is digit is digit. And for this you have to write some numbers in it. You have to write some numbers in it. So otherwise I will use B only. I will use B only. So print B dot is digit is digit. So it is a digit, right? So then it will return true. So we will get two trues, three trues. See, true, true, true. Why? Because it is a decimal. It's printing true. It's an is digit. It is printing true. And is a ASCII. It is printing true. It's printing true. So in this way, we can use the is digit method. And we are having is identifier. Is identifier. Is identifier. And for this, you have to write C is equal to, you have to include variable underscore name, variable underscore name, and print C dot is identifier, then click on OK. then you will be fine. You will be fine. Is identifier. CS is identifier. So it is a identifier. So that's why it's returning. It is returning. It is returning true. And we are having another method. We are having another method is lowercase. So we know, right, what is lowercase. So it will return. It will return. It will return all the characters in the characters to the lowercase. Just write d is equal to hello world. Hello world. And print, just print d dot lower case. That's it. Click on F5. Sorry, we have to. So you have to specify. So what we have to specify? So you, sorry, the method is lower. The method is lower. Method is lower. Method is lower. Yeah. Now print F. Click on F5 and click on OK. Click on OK. So it will tell whether it is a hello world is a uppercase or lowercase. For example, if you write two lower, I think the two lower function is not there in this. So is lower will check whether the all the characters in the string are smaller or not. If it is smaller, it will return true. If it is capital, all the characters are capital, then it will return false. So we got false here. You can see, right? We got false. Or otherwise, if you write all the small characters, hello world, then click on OK and click on OK. Then you'll get true. Then you will get true. So in this way, you will get all the values true. And so E is numeric. The next one is user numeric. And E is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it will check all the elements is numeric or not. Sprint E dot is numeric. That's it. And click on F5 and click on OK. So it is numeric. So that's why it's returning true. Or otherwise, if you mention alphabets instead of numbers, then you will get false. Then you'll get false. And we are having the last one, which is printable. Is printable method. Is printable method. So we are having the last method, which is printable. So first of all, you have to write take the variable and write some string in it. And I will write printable string, and I will print f dot is printable. F dot is printable. So it is printable, so it will return true. It will return true. So in this way, we can use is printable or not. So I hope you understand all these methods. So we have discussed index, we have discussed isalnum, isalpha. So whenever you got is, it will always return true or false. It will always return true or false. Like it will return the Boolean value. When you check whether that element is uh, true or false, then you have to use this is method. This is method. So then that time, this is method will help you out. This is method will help you out. So I hope you understand all these methods. And if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video. And if you have any doubts, please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.